Welcome to Home Organizing for Beginners. I'm Tammy, your home organizing educator. You want an organized home, right? Otherwise, you wouldn't be here listening, but you're fed up with the endless effort it feels like it takes to make it happen. I felt fear and frustration every day when I'd walk into my home after work. It was always such a mess. I'd get motivated to do something, set aside an entire weekend to finally get organized, only to wind up irritated with being interrupted by my kids. I'd yell, they'd cry. It was an ugly situation, one I'm not proud to share, but I now know that I'm not alone in this cycle. I just wanted to walk into my home after a long day at work and feel peace, calm, and joy. I seriously wish I'd had that back then. It physically hurts my heart knowing all the time that I lost being so focused on getting my home in order. I kept thinking if I could just put a system in place that would last, something that was sustainable, then I'd have time to just hang out and play with them, right? Because now that they're teenagers, hanging out with me is not really their top priority. I don't want you to miss out on the precious time with your kids that I missed out on. I want you to find that peace, calm, and joy before it's too late. To do that, you'll have to do something different than what you've done before or what we're constantly told by society. Everything I teach starts with sustainability in mind. You don't want to spend your time organizing the same spaces over and over again, right? When you organize the same spaces over and over and over again, that's called the hamster wheel of home organizing. And anyone who's on that hamster wheel wants off ASAP. Instead of starting with cute bins and resolving to just get rid of everything, you can learn where to really start with a home organizing vision. In this episode, I'll share with you what a home organizing vision is, why you need one, and how to craft a useful one. So let's start with what a home organizing vision is and what it is not. A home organizing vision is your destination. You can't get where you want to go if you don't know where that is. It's your home when your home organizing journey is done. Can you envision it? Your home organizing vision also includes you when your home organizing journey is complete. What your home organizing vision is not, it's not about perfection. This vision that I'll teach you how to craft is not about a magazine-worthy space. It's not about a beautiful space that you see on Pinterest. It may be difficult to think about anything different, but I urge you to begin to understand that being organized, it has nothing to do with cute decor. It's really about having your things set up in such a manner that you can find what you need when you need it, and it can be easily put away. That's sustainability, right? We'll get more into this as we talk about how to craft your home organizing vision. But now let's talk about why having a home organizing vision will help set you up for lasting home organization. Having a home organizing vision allows you to create a plan, a roadmap, if you will, from where you are today to where you want to be in the future. Knowing where you're going will give you motivation. It'll be your reminder when you forget why you're spending time getting organized. It will also put your entire family on the same page. That's going to help you sustain the things you put in place. Having a vision will help you keep going when things get tough. And if you've been on this home organizing journey very long, you know things will get tough. That's when you fall into or onto the hamster wheel of home organizing. Now that you know what a home organizing vision is, what it is not, and why you want one, let's make it happen. When you answer the following questions in complete honesty and give yourself the necessary time to answer them, you'll have a useful home organizing vision. So the questions are, what will it feel like when you walk into your home? When you're hanging out with your kids, when you're playing, how's that going to feel for you? For me, when I walk into my home, I want it to feel welcoming. How will it function? I always say focus on the function over the fashion. And the third question, how will it look? You can get a free download that you can fill in to craft your home organizing vision when you sign up for the free mini course called The Secrets to Lasting Home Organization. You just have to go to homeorganizingforbeginners.com. I'll drop the link in the show notes. The look of a space is important, but it comes in third on the list, and that is on purpose. When you think about how you want to feel when you walk into a space or into your home, you may find more ways to get there than just requiring it to be spotless and looking cute. I always share this anecdote. My home would always be clean and organized if nobody lived in it. But that's not what we want. We want to live our lives, and our home is the primary area we get to live life. The next thing to consider is how the space functions. When you're organizing for looks, you lose sight of who is using the space and how they use it. If you're organizing your shoes and you think it would look so nice if your shoes were in these cute little bins or they're all organized on a shelf, I'm sure it would look nice, but what does reality tell you? Do you walk into your home and have time to take your shoes off, put them into a bin, put the bin on a shelf? Or is it more likely that you're going to walk in the door with a kid on your hip, your purse on one shoulder, and groceries in the other arm, with a toddler trying to race in the door? Do you see what I'm saying? Don't set yourself up for frustration by ignoring how you actually function in the space. So in this scenario, perhaps having a slot where you can just kick your shoes into is the best answer. Once you've looked at how you want to feel in the space and how it functions, then you can consider the look. You can dive deeper into crafting your home organizing vision with me by your side. Sign up for the free mini course called The Secrets to Lasting Home Organization at homeorganizingforbeginners.com or click the link below in the show notes. Join me next week as we dive into Strategy 2, a home organizing plan. I share what a home organizing plan is, why you need one, and how to create it. Thanks so much and have a great day. I hope we have the opportunity to get to know each other better.